Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Mclaren 720s Carbon Edition from Creative Bespoke. Creative Bespoke builds a variety of custom supercars like this one. This one features a full Zacoe carbon fiber widebody kit that includes a carbon fiber hood and front and rear bumpers. It features a full custom yellow interior that also features custom seats. It's been lowered on a set of Navatech springs and even features MV Forged Aero wheels. It features a custom FI race exhaust, and this is one of the most extreme cars I've ever featured. Everything is just so aggressive, especially the wide body kit. And look at this wing. It still features the Active Aero wing. Everything's been stacked on top, so all of that moves under the Active Aero portion of the wing. And you can see the 4 exhaust pipes there for that custom one-of-one FI race exhaust, which sounds pretty good, by the way. As you can imagine, the 720s is just a fantastic twin-turbo V8, so you can't go wrong there. But this car is absolutely wild, and it was featured at SEMA to top it all off. If you enjoyed that video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And get subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching.